You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. Also a name, and a beer name in particular. If you want to learn more confusing beer names from German, stay tuned. It means dark, as in a dark beer. Dunkel is the German pronunciation here. Dunkel, as in München, dunkel. How do you say it in English? Well, dunkel. Now, in English, sometimes say it as Dunkel as well. How do you say it? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.